Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so here we are on jolly old St. Nicholas. A couple things about this. We are working with the first and second endings. So the first time you play into what I call box 1 when I'm dealing with newer players. The second time you go back, you skip box 1, go to box 2. It's called first and second endings. Once you progress past the stage where you've seen it a couple of times, you will just hear it referred to as first and second endings. And I'm going to do this 2 times. First, a little slower, 86. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Right, and now here's part B. 1, 2, 3. And now part C. 1, 2. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.